Hello, hello, OFP Nation, and welcome to our Wednesday midweek check-in. We are here to take a look at the markets and see how things have been playing out since we got together on Sunday. So we are going to be doing that today. And is my dear friend here with me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I certainly can.
Mhm.
Yeah.
All right, great. So we're going to dive into the analysis today, our friends. If you have any particular pairs or anything that you want us to look at for you, please be sure to let us know at the end of the analysis, and we can do that for you. And other than that, I will take a step back, and I will give the floor to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Ria. So yeah, let's begin. We'll start off with gold. Gold has been going to the moon. Yeah, currently we are literally at a level of resistance, which was our first target on when we first entered it, somewhere around this area. So right now we are all the way up there. So currently that's where we are, but we shall see if we can really, because we have to actually fill up this pin bar. This is a pin bar, so it needs to be filled, and from there we'll see if we'll slightly reverse or continue to push the upside all the way to our initial target. Right, let's move over to the next pairs, which is dollar Mexican. Dollar Mexican is still following through to the downside, which is great. We are literally going below last month's lows, mid lows rather. So that's where we're targeting. And then from there, we might possibly even come to November's low, which was all the way down here at 19.78. Then we also have dollar yen. If you joined us on Sunday, I literally said we buy this dollar yen, and it's also been pushing all the way up, which is great, actually. And we're getting close to our target over here. Yeah, so that is where we are with dollar yen. Let's also look at pound yen. Pound yen is also another pair that we looked at. Yeah, and we're pushing strongly to the upside as well. Hopefully, we do reach our target as soon as possible. Just hold on. So, yeah, pound yen, we are going up to the upside, and we are certainly looking to reach this target, which is there. And then let's also look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, we seem to be moving slightly back to the downside. Currently, it seems we might be in a consolidation. I am looking to see whether this continues. If we do breach below here, then maybe I would look to change my bias. But right now, the bias is still to the upside. And yeah, that's where we are reaching for right now. Right. Let's look also at pound dollar. Pound dollar, we have been moving sideways, but overall, we're still looking to target the previous high here. So we'll also be looking at the dollar index to see where it's all going. And let's also look at New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD seems to be pushing backwards, but yeah, we're still hoping that this goes up as well to our target, our initial target. Our stop loss is there. So either it hits our stop loss or continues back to the upside. That's what we are anticipating. Then oil. Oil, we are pushing back up again. We keep on moving like in a sideways movement, but we're still looking to come all the way down here as our initial target is down there. Right. Let's look also at NAS 100. Okay, yeah, US tech. So we broke the trend line, but we didn't break any support level, and we've continued going to the upside. So that means this is a new trend line, and we're waiting for a breach of this trend line, and maybe we can look to go below this support level. Then Euro New Zealand, I believe. Yes, Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, we are literally at break even. We are still aiming for the top as our target. Probably as this week continues, we'll be looking to take out the previous high of the week. Right. We have tackled, okay, US 30. US 30. So US 30. Great. We have broken the trend line, we've broken support. And it seems we might be going all the way down. I would say this would be a safe target on US 30 right here. This is where I would actually be anticipating to sell this, coming all the way down around here, and our stop loss going all the way up here. So this is a trade idea we have on US 30 currently. So this is what I'm anticipating on it. Right. And then let's look at Bitcoin. Should I even look at Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin has been going to the moon over and over again. So right now, there doesn't seem to be anything to do on Bitcoin. We sort of like breached this, but there's nothing clear like a support level. So I still think we might be looking to make a new high, even probably reaching 135. Yeah, that's a possibility. We might actually reach 135,000 Bitcoin. That is also another possibility. So watch out for that, y'all. Yeah, on Bitcoin. Then let's look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum, we broke the trend line, and our resistance is also broke. Oh, sorry, this support is also broken, but also this support is also broken. So overall, this would still be a good trade to enter in, I presume. Yeah, this would be definitely a good trade. And the target, yeah, would be all the way down here. We are still aiming to go all the way to 2,300, most probably, but we have a pin bar over here. So to be safe on this, because we seem to be in a very strong bull run with cryptos, so I would say this would be our very first target. This pin bar here will definitely come to this level when the time is right, like when everything is set up well. But with Bitcoin making new highs, I don't really think that will be so. So right now, a nice sell coming to the downside all the way to 3,300 on Ethereum would be an ideal play. Right. Then now let's look at dollar index, the last but not the least, dollar index. Let's see where we are with that. Oh, all right. So let's look at the dollar index. Right. So dollar index, we did reach this support level. If we're trading it, sure, we would have been selling it. So I still hold my bias on euro dollar. I still hold it on pound dollar. But this way, I was also coming back with gold. This one, I was saying that we might actually have the run up with gold, especially that dollar may weaken. But right now, it started slipping all the way back up. So maybe that's what made euro dollar to come down as well. And so we are yet to see what happens. If we were to enter into this trade whatsoever, our stop loss would be all the way up here and our target would be here. So if we do breach above here, then our longs on euro dollar, pound dollar may be void. So That's what I'm seeing on a dollar index. So yeah, that's basically all for our analysis today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hello, Augustino. Hello, Marwan. Yeah. So this is basically the end of our midweek analysis. We come excited.
I knew that you were gonna say, Raya, you can come out of hiding now. So I kind of beat you to it. I beat you to it, my friend.
Yes, you did. Each
Hey,
time I say Rick could come out from hiding, it just makes me feel like Lord of the Rings type of vibes, The Hobbit.
the Hobbit.
Bilbo, you can come out from hiding now.
Yeah. I was gonna ask you a
Yes.
question. Can we
Yeah.
look at Aussie Swiss franc? Did you look at that?
Aussie Swiss franc. Oh, Aussie Swiss. Okay,
Yeah, let's
sure, sure.
Aussie Swiss. I was
All
looking at
right.
it. So can you look at it? Let's look at it.
Sure, no problem. Oh, it looks like it's been a free fall. Um,
And
this looks like it's aiming to come all the way down here. Like that looks like just a target, honestly.
yeah.
Yeah, so but right now, if you are looking for longs, again, it looks like we have been in a consolidation. Same with CAD Swiss. If you
Mm-hmm.
take a look at CAD Swiss, I think there's just something with the Swiss pairs right now. Same scenario. Like I've been looking for. Oh, we didn't even look at CAD Swiss. Surprisingly, yeah. Great reminder, Ria. So
You're
CAD
welcome.
Swiss has had this break of the trend line, but we haven't had any significant break of resistance. This could have been a break of resistance, but this looks doesn't look strong. This one looks like a resistance that is strong that needs to be broken. But right now, I think this may even turn out to continue going to the downside because this just seems like a very steep slope that we were in. So it's just also the same with Aussie Swiss. This has just been a consolidation that has been ongoing since August. So if we also take back a look at Aussie Swiss, it's the same thing since August, consolidation. I think that could also be the same as dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss at least has been having some movement. You can't really say it's a consolidation. So I think maybe, yeah, it must be Aussie Swiss and CAD Swiss which might be affected by all of this. Yeah, a consolidation because everything else is fine. It's just Aussie Swiss and CAD Swiss. I think they are in a strong correlation with each other, just consolidating for days now. Maybe next year we might have something turn up. Yeah, but as of now, those two seem to be going nowhere, and you might be ending up in losses if you want to trade it. But overall, if you're looking to do a ping pong with it, you can also still make money off of a ping pong movement. Yeah, you just
Yeah,
need to know where to buy and where to sell.
exactly.
Hmm.
Exactly.
Yes, yes,
Thank you for looking
indeed.
at that, my
You're
friend.
welcome. What can I say except you're welcome?
Please
anyways.
excuse Barry. We just got done watching Moana, so yep, yep.
Yes. Mhm.
Confession time. All right,
Yeah.
guys. Well, that is it for our midweek check-in. We will be back on Sunday, but if you have not already done so, make sure that you head over to our website and check out our December prices, which are the lowest we've ever had our prices. So, and we've looked, and there is no competition in the prop firm industry right now when it comes to our instant funding prices this month. So make sure you guys go ahead and take advantage of these prices while we have them. Other than that,
There's a question from Augustino.
yes,
Is asking how long I've been trading. That's like 7 years.
about the same time. We've been
Yeah.
trading about the same time. It'll be 8 years for me, but yeah.
Yeah. Same.
Yep.
Should be 8 somewhere around March, April.
Yeah. For me, it's the
Yeah.
summertime. In the summer.
Oh, okay. All right. Summer, summer, summertime.
I was thinking it in my head, but I didn't want to say it out loud. So, uh, see, this is why Barry is my work bestie, you know? So, gotta love him. Gotta love Nick. I'm sorry, Nick. All right,
Yeah, yeah,
everybody.
that's fine. That's fine. Mm-hmm.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. It's always a pleasure to look at the charts with you guys. Truly, it is. It's our passion. We love it. So we enjoy having you with us. Have a good remainder of your week, and we'll see everybody on Sunday.